This next one is a preparation for the next few that are coming up. And it is to teach you how to do a press cramp roll, also sometimes called a push cramp roll. So that's when you do toe heel on one foot and heel drop on the other foot. It's like a cramp roll, except you're only making 3 sounds. Toe heel, heel drop. So this rudiment's going to be shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. So it has an even rhythm with those toes and heels, just to get your feet used to the coordination of what it's going to take to do your press cramp roll. So you're going to start with your shuffle, step, heel. Then you're going to do a step heel on the left foot and a heel drop on the right. And that's it. Then you're going to go to the other side. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hold 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Okay, you're going to keep it nice and even. I tell you, the rudiment number 11 is the longest rudiment in the sequence. And then we get to rudiment 12, and it's the shortest, because you basically go from having 2 full 8 counts to a 4 count. So starting with that right foot again, you're going to go shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. So starting with the right foot, you're doing shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel. Shuffle,